Yo! I stole Corey's camera. Cut my hair today. I was really bored. It looks pretty. Shut up. This is Corey. Show me a pretty picture with a permanent marker on the dry erase board thing. She won't let me see it.
Back away.
What are you writing, Corey?
I love you.
Me too. We're having a sleepover. Dude, look at her. Hannah Montana. Pajamas. Look, they say Hannah Montana. And they have guitars on them. And
I got it for Christmas.
What you got for Christmas?
That's that cutie. Like my Paramore shirt Brian bought me over the summer.
Aww. That's Brian's ring she's holding.
I'm just kidding. Go do something. You don't cheat this girl.
I don't want
It's like 12:30. I'm just kidding. We were pretty fat tonight.
Yeah, we were.
We had 2 bags of popcorn.
2 bags of popcorn.
Finished some ice cream and Kayla ate some pizza. And I ate 1.
2.
No, I ate 1.
2.
1.
2.
1.
1.5.
1.
3. We're having a sleepover. Sleepovers are fun. Especially when we're with Corey. We talked about our life and how
life story.
we told our life, yeah, of who we liked. And she had 3 people, and it took her like an hour. And I had like a lot more guys that I liked. And it took me like.
You didn't use as much detail as I did.
Yeah.
Once the last person took
Sorry, I kind of was just videotaping the wall.
Because people want to see. Your room is really cool though.
I know, look, my wall. Look, there's that. And
Oh,
that's
that
cool.
one in the E is cutie.
Thanks, babe. And then these are my curtains. They're pretty sexy. This is the other wall. This is my bed. I'm jealous. My aunt painted those pictures. Actually, she drew that one, the small one. Painted the bigger one. It's really pretty. And this is my other wall. There's my friends. That's my name in the corner. And there's stripes. And that is totally Zac Efron in Hairspray. And that's a shrine to my Uncle Johnny, because he died. And that's my reality. And that's totally the curling iron that curled my hair today. And that's totally my wall. Yes, it's got polka dots.
Totally love this tour of Salem.
Yes, they will. That's my TV. Look, it can move. Oh. See, like if I want to sit here, it can be there. Or if I want to sit over here, it's over there. Oh yeah, I got a Wii Fit. Christmas. It's fun. Look. Okay, you don't really dance on it, but whatever. And that's me and Mackenzie. My aunt painted that. And that's Corey. And is she hot? Ow, ow! She did a wind dance. Is Corey done? When Corey's done, we can look at it, and we can read it. And then that'll be it. It's a doggy. That's what we watched tonight. We watched Juno. Oh, my baby. Oh, hilarious. That's my volleyball team. Look at the shit.
What time is it? 12:36.
12. That's my gay pen.
First, right?
And no.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, because it's midnight.
No. Oh, well, yeah. I mean, it's the 30th, I guess. I mean, if you want to go by the midnight thing, it is totally New Year's Eve, right? I'm excited. Not really, because my mom won't let me go to my cousins, because they smoke pot. She's lame. Are you done? Can we read it?
No.
It's really annoying. She won't let me read it. Look, that's me. And my pretty hair. I love my hair. Besides this one. This one fell out. No, did it? Check out.
Okay.
Oh wait, we're done. Alright, we're gonna read it. We're gonna read it.
You're gonna read it out loud.
Yes, I am. We're gonna videotape it too. Because you can't really see it. I love Caitlin Nicole Michelle. Oh my, forever and ever. She is the most amazing girl ever. This all comes from my heart. I
think cross out would be very lost if I was without her. If she wasn't my friend
in any way possible. I love her and I'm completely, I don't know what that is.
That's one with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. A lot of percent glad that she is in my life. Anyone who doesn't know her should be totally jealous of me. Haha, our sleepover is the greatest I've ever had.
And will be.
And will be in my entire life. I love Caitlin, love Corey Ann Marie Silva, December 31st, 2008, 12:36 a.m.
This is my signature, and then I had to write my name because you couldn't really, like, read it.
See, this is us. This is us. This is us. Stop dancing. Stop dancing. This is us. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.